Welcome back everyone to another edition of unique press penny related items. Now, every so often my family likes to partake in a family game night, just like that old Hasbro commercial.
Plan your own family game night with these great family games from Milton Bradley and Parker Brothers.
Family game night. It just might become your favorite night of the week.
Now, I always want to play Clue, but my kids prefer games like Candyland or even this interesting one called Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. Then, sometimes when it's just some of the older family members, we attempt not to kill each other over a game of Monopoly. This Disney Monopoly set is one we've had for quite a few years, and over time, some of the pieces have kind of come or gone. And whenever we're looking to play, if we need an extra piece, we always find something generic to use, and in this case, as you can see, I've got a press penny, which is my token of choice. This is about as close to a penny-related tabletop game as we could get, but that has all changed recently. Let's take a closer look at Penny Pressure by PennyBandz. So, how do you play this game? Well, let's take a closer look at the included instructions. Each player needs 8 to 12 press pennies plus 1 extra press penny to place in the penny trader bag. Play with 2 players or as many players as you would like. The fewer the pennies, the faster the game. Every player must start with the same number of press pennies. If you're playing with the penny trader bag, each player adds 1 additional press penny to the bag. Choose carefully, this is the penny that they are willing to lose at the end of each game. The object of Penny Pressure is to be the first to get rid of all your press pennies. To determine who goes first, each player rolls the single die. Highest number goes first, then play proceeds in a clockwise direction. Player rolls the die and must put a press penny in the same numbered slot on the game box board. If the player rolls a number that already has a press penny in it, they must take all of the pennies in slots 1 through 5 on the box. The turn then goes to the next player. A player must take at least 1 roll, but can take as many rolls as they want until they get stuck, as in rule number 3, or they pass the die to the next player. Slot number 6 lets your press penny drop inside the box, so you can roll as many 6s as possible without penalty. Roll 6s for your best chance to win. Play continues until a player runs out of press pennies and is declared the winner. Haha, I finally won! The winner opens the box and all pennies played are redistributed back to the owner. The pennies still on the table also get redistributed back to the owner. The penny trade bag is then opened by the winner. The winner keeps their penny, plus they select 1 more penny as their reward for winning. The remaining press pennies in the penny trader bag are returned to the players whose press pennies did not get taken by the winning trader. You can also choose to not use the penny trader bag, and all of the played pennies would go back to each player after each game. we suggest to use the penny trader bag for a fun and exciting penny trading adventure. Just a quick note, I wanted to mention I did not get this item from PennyBandz for a review. It was something I saw an advertisement for online, and I went out and ordered it and paid for it with my own money so we could check it out. I will say when I first ordered it, I was a bit skeptical, just curious how fun a game could be when it's themed around elongated coins, but I will admit I was completely wrong. My family has thoroughly enjoyed playing this. We've played it numerous times over the past few weeks. Really enjoy it. It's really well made, the materials are great, and the instructions are very simple, as you saw from what we went over a little earlier in the video. So even the youngest in your family should be able to play without any issues. Now, I did find this on Amazon. I've included the link down in the description below in case you want to look into it and pick one up for your own family game night.
Daddy, can we play the penny game now?
Coming. See you next time, and as always, keep on pressing.
Yeah.